Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your eBay account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ebay.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official eBay website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button that you see at the top left corner and then proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, if you wish to delete or close your account, then click on your username at the top left and then click on account settings. You will then be taken into your account settings page where underneath account preferences, you will see the close account button. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will see a warning which explains how this process will work. If you scroll all the way down, after reading the entire message, click on the close account button to proceed forward with deleting your account. You will then be asked to provide a reason for leaving and closing your account. After you provide a reason, you can proceed forward and your deletion request will be sent. Once you provide a reason, you might need to log into your email account to provide the confirmation for deleting your account. Just click on the link within and your account will be scheduled for deletion. After this step, make sure not to log back into your account for at least a month, and then your account will be permanently deleted. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on eBay. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.